Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Have you ever wished you could finish hours of research, presentations, spreadsheets, web pages, or even podcasts in just a few minutes? What if a single AI tool could handle all of that for you, saving you time and making your work look professional? Well, that's exactly what Skywork does, and today I'm going to show you how it works in real time. Whether you're a student, teacher, professional, or content creator, Skywork can transform the way you work, helping you be more efficient and productive. Let's start with deep research, one of Skywork's most powerful features. I asked it to analyze the current market and growth prospects of Tesla in 2025, including risks, opportunities, and expert insights. Within minutes, Skywork generated a detailed research document that included Tesla's projected revenue growth, market trends, and potential risks like supply chain challenges and strong competition. Along with opportunities in the expanding EV market. The output included clean charts, traceable sources, and visuals that made everything extremely easy to understand. Normally, compiling this kind of analysis takes hours, but Skywork delivered it professionally in just a few minutes. Next, I moved to AI slide generation. I gave Skywork the prompt to create a 5-slide presentation explaining the basics of artificial intelligence, including visuals and charts. Within seconds, it generated a complete, well-designed slide deck. Every slide looked clean and professional, with diagrams, examples, and bullet points that explained AI in a simple and clear way. I could regenerate individual slides, insert new slides, or export everything directly to Google Slides or PPTX. Then, I explored Spreadsheet Creation. I asked Skywork to create a project tracking sheet with tasks, owners, deadlines, and status updates. In seconds, I got a complete and editable sheet that looked neat, organized, and ready for team collaboration. This alone saves so much manual work and keeps every project moving smoothly. Next, I tested web page generation. I asked Skywork to generate a landing page for my AI startup with a headline, features, call to action, and design layout. It instantly created a full HTML web page with structured sections, professional formatting, and clean design. I could preview it, edit it, and export it directly. Anyone who needs fast landing pages, marketers, startup founders, freelancers, will love this feature. Finally, I tried podcast generation. I asked Skywork to create a 10-minute podcast script about AI tools for productivity in 2025. It wrote a complete script with segments, transitions, examples, and key talking points, all in a smooth conversational tone. You can literally take the script, record it, and publish it the same day. As you can see, Skywork isn't just another AI tool, it's a complete productivity engine. It helps you research faster, present smarter, create content instantly, and work more efficiently. After that, I tested one of the most impressive features, Multicontent Generation with one command. I asked Skywork to generate a full business report on the e-commerce industry, including a document, a spreadsheet of top companies, a slide deck, a landing page, and a podcast script, and Skywork delivered all 5 formats instantly. The document included market insights, challenges, and forecasts. The spreadsheet listed companies with revenue, growth rates, and categories. The slide deck presented key points visually. The landing page came with a clean layout, headlines, and a call to action. and the podcast script was structured, conversational, and recording ready. It truly felt like having a full team working behind the scenes. If you want to try Skywork yourself, they gave me 50 discount slots. Use the coupon code AIPicks or click the link in the description below to get up to 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.